It's hard to believe that it's been a month since we lost two legendary actors from the film industry. April 29th and April 30th were two dark days for Indian cinema as we lost our legendary actor Irrfan Khan and just a day later, veteran actor Rishi Kapoor. While as fans we are still trying to come to terms with their loss, we really hope the families get strength to overcome this void. Rishi Ji's wife Neetu Ji and Irrfan's wife Sutapa have both shared heartwarming posts on social media remembering their husbands and the love they shared as their better halves. We really miss you Rishi Ji and Irrfan, और आपके जाने के बाद आप जो ये void इंडस्ट्री में छोड़ गए हैं वो कभी नहीं मिट सकता। लोग चले जाते हैं, उनकी यादें बस रह जाती है और यही यादें हैं जो उनके अपनों को आगे बढ़ने का हौसला देती है। It's hard to believe that it has already been a month since Irrfan Khan and Rishi Kapoor passed away on 2 consecutive days, leaving a gaping hole in our hearts and the movie industry. Both came from completely different backgrounds and schools of acting, but were immensely talented actors and stars who were only going from strength to strength with every role they got till unfortunately they both lost a long battle with cancer. Fans and colleagues from the industry were absolutely heartbroken, and now as we watch their work after they have gone, हमें ये और भी गहरा एहसास होता है कि हमने कितने काबिल आर्टिस्ट को खो दिया है। Even their families are slowly coming to terms with this huge personal loss, and both Irrfan's wife Sutapa and Rishi Ji's wife Neetu Kapoor shared emotional and heart-wrenching notes remembering the loves of their life and hoping they were in a better place now. Sutapa and Neetu Ji both shared posts on social media with pictures of their better halves and added soulful lines to convey their pain. Sutapa quoted the renowned poet Rumi and shared 2 pictures of Irrfan, one of him lying alone on a grass outdoors somewhere and another where she is giving her husband a big hug. She chose lines from Rumi's poem which says, "Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. It's just a matter of time. मिलेंगे, बातें करेंगे, till we meet again." Neetu Ji also used lines from a song to convey her emotions and shared an old throwback picture of the two of them twinning in blue. Her caption said, "Wish me luck as you wave me goodbye, Cheerio. Here I go on my way with a cheer, not a tear. In your eye, give me a smile I can keep for a while in my heart while I'm away." We will never be able to replace legendary stars Irrfan and Rishi Kapoor in our hearts and in the place they had as actors in Bollywood and world cinema. There will be no one else like these two.